Introducing the Numark Mixstream Pro, the ultimate standalone DJ controller that makes it easy to connect, stream, and play. With its built-in Wi-Fi, direct access to top music streaming services, DJ performance essentials, and onboard speaker monitors, the Mixstream Pro allows DJs to connect with their music like never before. The 7-inch high-definition multi-touch display is your gateway to Engine DJ, the full-featured, ever-evolving embedded DJ suite to power your performance. Music library navigation, performance features, and even lighting control are all literally at your fingertips. With music streaming, an established music library is no longer required to start exploring the world of DJing. The Mixstream Pro can wirelessly access millions of tracks on Tidal, Beatport Link, Beat Source Link, and SoundCloud Go+. To start streaming, first connect to Wi-Fi using the Settings button, then select the streaming service using the source icon on the screen. After the required one-time login to the streaming service, you'll have instant access to top charts, curated collections, and your own personal playlists. The search bar on the top of the screen makes it easy to find a specific track or artist in the streaming service's library. Once you find your track, just swipe, double tap, or use the dedicated library hardware controls to load it to a deck. When the track is loaded, it is stored onto the temporary internal memory to ensure uninterrupted playback during your performance or mix session. On the Mixstream Pro, you can seamlessly move in and out of various streaming services, loading and mixing tracks from all sources. The embedded Engine DJ software automatically analyzes streaming songs when they are loaded to determine BPM and key information, making it easy to pull off the perfect mix. If a USB drive or SD card is inserted, this information is saved to the drive for future performances. If any cue points or loops are added to streaming tracks, this information is saved to the USB drive or SD card as well. To play back all songs from your selected playlist, just tap the Play as Playlist on-screen button, and the Mixstream Pro fades in and out of your song list automatically. This is perfect for casual listening or for when you need a break from DJing at your party or event. The built-in speaker monitors use high-quality drivers to deliver a full, rich sound. These speakers are custom-tuned by industry-leading audio engineers and are perfect for practicing at home, streaming or recording DJ sets, passive listening, or entertaining small gatherings of family and friends. When connected to a larger audio system using the balanced XLRs or RCAs, the built-in speakers work great as personal monitors for mixing. The speaker volume can be adjusted by using the dedicated volume control knob on the controller. The Mixstream Pro also features a 1/4-inch microphone input and volume control knob on the front panel, plus an 1/8-inch and 1/4-inch headphone output for ultimate flexibility. The Mixstream Pro features engine lighting onboard, which allows for wireless control of Philips Hue lights directly from the touchscreen. Engine lighting can be accessed by pressing the button to the left of the screen or through the settings menu. After a Philips Hue hub is connected, light color and automatic beat synchronized light shows can be selected and changed directly on the screen. The crossfader, volume faders, and scratch wheels also control the intensity of the hue lights for an immersive audio-visual experience. For the events or club DJ, control of DMX lighting is also available on screen when using engine lighting together with a micro DMX dongle and sound switch. The Advanced Controls menu grants access to full control over a number of options, including lighting group intensity, moving head positioning, static looks, smoke and haze rates, and more. To play music from your existing library, the Mixstream Pro features 2 USB ports and 1 SD card slot. Serato DJ, Record Box, iTunes, and Tractor libraries are all fully compatible with the Mixstream Pro. Once saved to a drive or card, or synced to Dropbox using Engine DJ desktop software, existing cue points, loops, BPM and key information, and beat grids are all transferred over to the Mixstream Pro. DJs can supplement their existing music library with streaming tracks, or vice versa for ultimate music performance flexibility. The 6-inch touch-sensitive scratch wheels provide hands-on control of your music. When nudged, the outside edge functions as a pitch bend to help perfectly align mixed tracks. The top of the wheels responds instantly to your touch, making them perfect for scratching. With the Smart Scratch feature enabled, you can grab and scratch a track at any point while keeping everything perfectly on time and on beat. For traditional scratch functionality, the normal scratch mode can be engaged by pressing the dedicated scratch mode button. The FX section lets you customize your mix by engaging 4 pro-level DJ effects using the dedicated paddle switches: Echo, Delay, Flanger, and Phaser sound effects can be selected using the FX pads, and then engaged temporarily by pressing the toggle down, or latched on by flicking the paddle up. Each Mixstream Pro deck also features a large filter knob. When turned left or right, the filter knob gradually cuts low or high audio frequencies for pro-sounding mixes and build-ups. In addition, each channel features a 3-band EQ for independent control over the low, mid, and high frequencies, as well as overall channel gain control. The Mixstream Pro has all of the performance essentials a DJ needs to rock an event, live stream, or club. The 4 performance pads on each deck control 4 different pad modes, including Cue, Saved Loop, Auto Loop, and Roll. When the mode selection pad is pressed a second time, 4 additional performance slots are made available, for a total of 8 performance pads for each mode option. In addition to the performance pads, each deck also features a play-pause button, cue stop button, and a sync button. The sync button leverages the power of Engine DJ to automatically match the tempo of a track to the tempo of the currently playing track, ensuring that every mix, transition, and blend is perfectly on time and on beat. For DJs that would prefer to mix manually without sync, the Mixstream Pro's pitch slider can be adjusted to a range of plus or minus 4, 8, 10, 20, 50, or even 100%. The pitch bend buttons can be used to nudge the tempo of the track into place, or adjust the pitch slider range when used along with the shift button. Remember, the outer ring of the scratch wheels can also be used to nudge the pitch while mixing tracks. The Mixstream Pro's setting screen can be accessed by pressing the gear icon button or by swiping down from the top of the screen. Here, a DJ can customize the controller to match their individual style by adjusting the crossfader curve, quantization, various performance defaults, and numerous other settings. The Mixstream Pro offers a new level of performance capability and connectivity in a DJ controller, all in an easy-to-use, intuitive package that makes it simple and fun for DJs to connect, stream, and play. For a more in-depth look at all of the dynamic features of Engine DJ, visit the Engine Academy, available for free at enginedj.com.